In this video, I'm going to show you how to check OneNote storage, the quick and easy way if you use OneNote with OneDrive. This is the fastest method to see how much space you've used and how much storage you have left. This is especially helpful if your notebooks are getting larger, you're storing lots of files, or you just want to make sure you don't run out of space unexpectedly. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and sign into the OneDrive web portal using the Microsoft account connected to your OneNote notebooks. Once you're logged in, wait for the OneDrive dashboard to load fully. This is important because the storage information won't show properly until the page is completely loaded. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. In that area, you should see a storage progress bar. This bar shows exactly how many gigabytes you have used out of your total storage limit. It gives you a clear visual of your current usage, so you can quickly understand whether you still have plenty of room or if you're getting close to your limit. If you want the exact number, read the storage details beside the bar. That will tell you the amount used and the total available storage in gigabytes. This is the number you want to check when managing OneNote space, because your OneNote notebooks are stored through OneDrive. So even though you're checking OneNote storage, the storage meter is shown inside the OneDrive portal. If you need to free up space, you can later go through your files, notebooks, or attachments and remove anything you no longer need. But for now, the main goal is simply to confirm your current storage usage, and this method makes that very easy. Just remember, open OneDrive in your browser, sign in, go to the bottom left corner, and read the storage progress bar. That's it. You now know how to check OneNote storage in just a few seconds. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.